and gentlemen, it's now time to hear our next distinguished speaker. So I would like to call upon Dr. Parvati on the stage.
Music. I think everyone needs to wake up right now. Can I ask you all to stand up with me and just move around like that? Little bit. Please, join me. थोड़ा सा अच्छा music ये क्या है? अच्छा. So, are you guys as pepped up as me? Like, I've lost my voice and I'm here, so I don't know if you can hear me. So, just pep me up, join me and pep me up. Thank you so much. So, I'm Parvati, and I'm a holistic therapist. I was a journalist, and then I became a holistic therapist. I'm just taking 5 minutes of your time because actually my session is after lunch. So that is a session on narrative and storytelling, and based on my experiences and how you can implement them into your own as well. So as a holistic therapist, my one aim, and I tell all my clients this, is that your health is in your hands. What I mean is that don't lose hope. Like everything, you just find the courage, the conviction, and the belief that your body can heal. Everything, be it inside or outside of you. So, everyone knows about chakras, the 7 chakras. Do you know? Everyone knows about chakras? All right. So, quickly, the 7 chakras. The 7 chakras start with the root chakra. It's in the tailbone. That is responsible for security in your life, for stability in your life. Namaste, sir. Second one, that is the root chakra, Muladhara chakra. You come a little bit up to your lower abdomen. That is the second chakra. The second chakra is the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is the one responsible for creativity, for just pleasure as well. That is the sacral chakra. Swadhisthana chakra. You come up a little bit here. This is the solar plexus. The solar plexus. Manipura chakra. The Manipura chakra is responsible. Chakras are basically energy centers in your body. Thank you so much. Energy centers in your body that rule your life in one way or another. Okay? So come up. That is the solar plexus. Manipura chakra. That is responsible for power, for confidence. You come up a little more to your heart, your chest. That is the heart chakra, Anahata chakra. That is responsible for, tell me, what is it responsible for? Tell me. Anyone knows? Tell me, please. Unconditional love. Wow, very good. That is responsible for love and care. And after that, you go up to your throat. That is the throat chakra. Vishuddha chakra. That is responsible for intuition, for communication, for truth. And when you go up, this is, yes, the third eye. Agya Chakra. Intuition, sense, sixth sense, and up the crown chakra, responsible for bliss, ultimate bliss. All right? So, you don't have to do, I'm a holistic therapist and a yoga therapist, but you don't necessarily have to do yoga and meditation, whatever, to activate your chakras. You can do basic activities to activate your chakras. So, from the beginning, so from the Mooladhara chakra, how do you activate your Mooladhara chakra? You walk. Every day you walk or you jog. Anyone wants to jog and walk on me? I'm doing it for myself. I'm just jogging. And I'm activating my Mooladhara chakra. This is for kind of getting stability in your life. Second, little bit up, the sacral chakra. This sacral chakra for pleasure, for creativity. How do you do it? Now I need a friend. Shona ma'am, how do you activate your sacral chakra? You should know. Okay. The activation of the sacral chakra is by dancing. Just dance, move your body, and you activate. Did you know that? Did you know that? Yes, she knows that. You are activating your sacral chakra. Next is the Manipura chakra, confidence. How do you activate it? How do you? Now you have to join me when I do something. Everyone should join me. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Please, sir, join me by laughing. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. By laughing, you activate. Bye, ma'am. By laughing, you activate your Manipura chakra, confidence center. A little bit up. This is the heart chakra. How do you activate your heart chakra? Two things. You can either hug yourself, inhale and hug yourself. Please hug yourself. At least hug yourself. Please. You, all of you, please hug yourself. Sir, hug yourself. Hug yourself. Hug yourself and say, I love you. I love me. And then you can hug the person to the right or left of you, please. Or shake hands, please. You, yes. Shake hands with the person to the right. Sir, I know you. Shake hands to your friend. Everyone, shake hands. And give them the love, please. That is the heart chakra. Little bit to this throat chakra for truth and communication. You can hum. Activating your throat chakra. Above that is this is the what is it? Yeah, Agra chakra. Now for this, It's breathing exercise, alternate nostril breathing. Like that. Inhale. Anyone, please do it. You guys are not joining me for anything. Please. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Exhale to the left. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes and you see everything is activated. You feel energized. You feel activated. You feel clear. You feel balanced. And last but not least is the crown chakra, the bliss. Either you go to sleep or just sit quietly or lie down quietly. And then automatically everything is in tune. Just lie down and focus on the divine. Like that, you can help heal yourself. Everything is in your hands. Your health is in your hands. And this is just a little bit of a show and tell to prompt you to believe in yourself, that you can do anything you set your life to, you set your heart to, you set your body to. Thank you so much.